Brighton to another video. Today I am in the train to Brighton. I am now in Brighton. I had a nice welcome by a volunteer from some tour guide, and I just went into an Asian supermarket and bought some sweet dried plums. Pretty much here. I love this place already. So nice. I'm just mind blown. Like every second thing is vegan or vegetarian.
Green bells. There's nothing malicious in this, babe. I'm not delivering it. That's right.
Most beautiful building in Brighton. Reminds one of India. The Royal Pavilion. Such a beautiful day. Here we are. It's beautiful. Nice. The purpose I took the newspaper for is to sit down on the beach. I brought the leftovers from yesterday with me. Crepes. Yum. I can't believe what just happened. So this seagull just stole my crab. I was eating it like super happily, and then they were dropping down and they took it away. Yeah, and now I have one wrap less, and I'm thinking of going somewhere else where they won't steal my food. On the pier now. I decided to sit on this bench in the shadow because I do not want to risk it again. They were not friendly. I'm shocked. But now I'm going to have my food, and it's for me. That one is coming close to my wrap. Don't come any nearer. I had my lunch. This is pretty cool. It even have a looping. And so it's closed. Water rides. There, they stole my food. They're screaming. Seasons of the beach. skirt might not have been the best idea today. It's so windy. It's nice. Are white compared to my arms. Oh my god. This is glass and I'm going to take off my shoes. I decided to eat at the London Loving Hut. Here the birds for fun, stir fry noodles, vegan. Not again. So go away. I don't want it. Not my food. He's eating it. What's left? That's interesting. It's 6:30 and instead of getting fuller like London does, it's getting more empty. People are not on the streets. Shops are closing and yeah, I'm walking quite alone. Walking along those little streets. There are entrances to houses. You can see the sea from here. The traffic lights show it not across the street, but on your side. A bit weird. Oh, that's close. I got this vegan croissant with chocolate. Yummy! Also from the Loving Hut. Very good. And I'm going to eat it now. the hospital. Brighton was awesome. A very lovely city. I liked North Lane a lot. So many vegan options. It was hard to decide. Unfortunately, they closed pretty early at around 5:30 or 6, and so I missed a few. Yeah, but I really enjoyed the beach. Finally, I went to the beach again. Last time was 2 years ago in Italy and Spain, but also only for one day, and yeah, can't wait to have a few days at the beach sometime soon, in a few years. This day was very important for me. I'm very grateful for this. I am also very happy that I decided to do that. I was already asking whether I should do that because I don't have enough time, and yeah, but I took the time to do this day today, and it was a small vacation and it was very good. I am so much more relaxed and I'm ready to work hard in the next few days as well. I hope you liked that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see daily videos from me. My name is Serey and you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. I post daily on Snapchat and you can see what I do every day. Almost everything. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed your day as well, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Thanks for watching.